Welcome to our video on the uses of the auxiliary verb to do. In this video, we will talk about how to do can be used to answer questions or make statements about actions in the present or past tense, as well as habitual actions in the present tense. Let's look at some examples. Do you speak Spanish? Yes, I do. Indicating that you do speak Spanish. Does he work at the bank? Yes, he does. Indicating that he works at the bank. Do you watch TV in the morning? No, I don't. Indicating that you don't watch TV in the morning. Does she like sushi? No, she doesn't. Indicating that she doesn't like sushi. Did you finish your homework? Yes, I did. Indicating that you finished your homework. Did they go to the beach? Yes, they did. Indicating that they went to the beach. Did you see that movie? No, I didn't. Indicating that you didn't see the movie. Does he usually study in the library? Yes, he usually does. Indicating that he usually studies in the library. Do you often go to the gym? Yes, I usually do. Indicating that you often go to the gym. In these examples, to do is used to answer questions or make statements about actions in the present or past tense. It can also be used to express habitual actions in the present tense. Thank you for watching our video on the uses of the auxiliary verb to do. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language learning videos.